Lock & Cal is breaking down Hyundai code C1643, where a simple brake switch signal becomes a safety-critical data event. In modern cars, pressing the brake isn't just lights. It informs shifting, stability control, and driver assistance logic. When C1643 sets, the vehicle is saying the brake-applied signal can't be trusted, so other systems get cautious. That's why symptoms can look unrelated. Brake lamps act odd, shifting can lock, and assistance features may deactivate. Start with the anatomy. The stoplight switch near the pedal often has multiple internal contacts for redundancy. Those channels feed body electronics, then get shared over the network, so several modules agree on brake application.
Because if modules disagree, they may limit stability control, change torque strategies, or pause advanced driver assistance states.
One common failure is contact wear. The signal chatters instead of switching cleanly, creating brief, repeated transitions. Another is misadjustment, where the switch engages too late or not fully, so the expected states never match. After interior or collision-related work, harness strain can create intermittent opens when vibration or pedal motion tugs wiring. Connector issues matter too. Loose pin fit or corrosion adds resistance, shifting voltage states beyond what modules accept. Electrically, technicians look for voltage drop, delayed lamp response, and dual-channel disagreement that violates plausibility rules. Professionals start by confirming the code context, then checking other modules for related faults and shared symptoms. Next comes live data. Press and release the pedal slowly, watching whether both channels transition together every time. Then verify basics at the circuit: clean power, solid ground, and signal paths that stay stable under load. A careful movement check can reveal hidden intermittence, but only when you correlate motion with signal stability. If wiring and switch are correct, the network should agree, and assistance and stability functions can re-enable safely. After repair, validate the result: instant brake lamp response, normal shift behavior, and no returning faults after drive cycles. C1643 isn't just a lighting issue, it's signal trust for a shared safety sensor. Diagnose with evidence, not guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock & Cal for more content like this.